So we're just giving a little example of how our anchoring works. This is really what allows us to be able to put up the greenhouses anywhere and not have to do a concrete foundation or a concrete perimeter all the way around, which would in most cases be more than double the price of the greenhouse. So we're just giving a couple examples. We're going to run some of our anchors down into the ground. We're in sand, so we're using a little bit longer of an anchor. Got the plates down. They're stainless steel plates. Nice tight grip. So we usually have our standard anchor that goes in most hard pan soil, rocky or clay. But today we are installing a greenhouse on a very sandy area. And so we have our other anchors that we use, which are 36-inch long aircraft grade aluminum. So we're going to be driving that in. We'll see how it goes. Well, that went well. This is a 600-pound impact driver from DeWalt.